Ardell and welcome back. And today I want to share with you how I apply my lashes. And I don't use the whole strips, I use the individuals. And I'm just coming to you plain face with the luggage under my eyes and everything, just to show you how I actually apply my lashes. So all you need is a few simple tools, which is the Ardell, which is the brand that I really like. I've been using this brand probably for about 15 plus years now, and I love it. I love that they have the knot free on here. Years ago they had the knot on it. I mean, some of them still have them, but it actually slides and moves when you actually apply them, which this actually lays flat and looks a little bit more natural. So you're going to need some adhesive, the lashes, and I also wanted to share with you these new lashes that I came across, and these are double flares. That's what they're called. They're called the knot free double flare. And what it is it's a little more, I don't know if you guys can see it here, it's a little fuller. They have a little picture here, but this is the original with the not so many layers in it, and this has, well, I'm not layer, flares, as they say, double. And this is the double flare. So if you want like a light, airy look, or you just want a little more drama to your eye, you can do the double. Sometimes I usually do this, I don't have to use as many because it's full already and give you that volume that you like. But today I'm going to go with the short, but sometimes I kind of mix them up, and I'll start with the short on the inner and I'll start with the medium on the end. But this medium today is the fuller, so I don't know, I may play around with it, but I'm going to start out with the short. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I lay these lashes. Okay, what I usually do to help me along the way is I'll just take some glue and I'll just move a few lashes over, and I'll just make a little well of glue there. That way I could actually just pull the lashes, dip, and go. And the glue here just like that. And I usually start over here in my corner and I go underneath. I mean, if you want to, you can. But I'm kind of laying and seeing how I'm spacing them. And they're like this, just like that. And as you can see, that little wing already. Get a little closer so you guys can see. See if I can lay it this way. In the mirrors, yeah, just lay it right there. Give it a tap. Okay. And just continue as you go across, and as you can see, that flare is starting to develop, give you that natural look. And trust me guys, this has taken a lot of practice. I know this may not be easy for any of you to do. You know, I'm just showing you just the technique, and like I said, I've been doing it for so long. I know some of you may be like, oh, that's a little too close to my eye. You know, it takes practice, and practice makes perfect. But this is the one eye. As you can see, this one is so naked, and then we have this soft lash like right on this side. So I'm going to finish this eye, and I'm going to come back with a completed look for you guys. Okay, what I just did was, once I get them all on and they're set, I just kind of give them a little squeeze to kind of blend with my own lashes a little bit. So this is the finished look of my lashes, which are the Ardell individual lashes. And I normally wear these in the summer months because I don't want to do a whole lot to my face, and it just instantly brings your face out without a lot of makeup. Just throwing a little bit of lip gloss, you instantly look like you just made your face up. And who wants a whole lot of makeup in the summer as it gets hot? So these are light, brings a nice fresh look to your eyes. Can you see that flare, guys? Yes, that is so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys give it a try. If you wear them, let me know how you like to wear yours, and just in the comments below, just let me know if you tried it, and I'd love to see how you put yours on. So until next time, bye lovelies. Thank you for joining me, and let's stay connected by subscribing to my channel and giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, bye lovelies.